Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to Deb3 TV. This is Pass and Mova, your number one soccer podcast in the land. Akusaphikizwa ukumbona nonke umuntu vele secava. My name is Archford Hadebe, your host, and I'm not alone in the studio. I'm with my brothers. On my right, Suitman.
Skiba mtali.
Oyiswi.
Amnandi mtali.
Konke mnandi.
Swi.
Buthozi.
Hola.
Dala ngayicini intro le.
Sufuna kuyakulani ndinayo.
Awele mtaje kakhulu Buthozi awufa.
Amna sharp Skiba.
Skiba aka Mkokeli.
Akhona umshoza.
Mr. Ncube.
Yeah.
Jabone pick up behind this is. Bayithusa intro. Sani uyisa abangwani. Kanye tawufa problem.
Avatobi.
Welcome back my brother.
Indawo yokuthi intro leyana ukuthi the best podcast in the land. Suphongo wenzela abantu abatsha kuphela ababesanda kufika. But vele labo kumele nqabe ngena vele.
Number one soccer podcast in the land akuphikiswa. Since these days ngama somber moods. And esixolise to our viewers, last week our sound was a bit low. This week everything will be properly. Last week fukusidla nduthi. Fukusidla into ezidukisekayo balungisa umenza isitozi onithembisile everything proper. But gents sibonile even World Cup benika minute of silence. Jayden Adams.
Yeah, it's chill mfethu. Yeah.
Ukuchayeza imnyama mdala nami.
Kulo member uthonga uchingeta itima lo ano ZBC wapho lona. While statement sakhe ukuthi na what life 1 minute is there, the other minute is no longer there. This is what it is. Because besimbukele kade World Cup. Just a few days after his specific story.
So sad at very young age, 25. Gone just like that.
May his soul rest in peace.
May his soul rest. Condolences to the football fraternity.
Yeah, le into engabenefita nje wonke umuntu indaba ze mental health ziqhakathekile kakhulu, especially kithi amadoda. Ngoba thina sile inkulumo zethu ezothiwa indoda ayikhali, indoda iyaqinisela into ezinjalo.
Susiya ngaphi Khanyethi?
Kodwa nxa ongaphathekanga athi ngitshela ukuthi mfana wami kayilahla la so and so uyabantu uzathi uqeda ukukhuluma lami
you can joke around it.
And ukukhuluma into edikhulunywa ngobutho singakangeni njengoba uphuzile ukufaka nje status ubutho besitshela nje esifundisa the group behind the scenes, although these stories zakhe traumatic but besitshela no guys, let's learn to talk. If ever there is anything, even imbi, just learn to talk. Find someone who khulume layo. Asisho ukuthi u10 because what Jayden Adams is alleged. We don't know what transpired proper. But you can to be saying point out as gents. Let's learn to talk nje mental health iqhakathekile. Ayithandi eglobe yanga.
Because I saw another South African player uLayo Foster osebendi. You know, team is release a statement and kukanengi sizibala indaba zakhe lezo ukuthi kulalapha akhuluma konta ama-chance kade sankosha. At some point ku national team ama supporters akamngana amjikela isithi uyazenzisa, you know, but we like ukuthi ebhande ngale bamsupporta bafaka statement bathi anomjithu uthi kade akekho right, siyamnika isupport efunakalayo ukuthi ezephenduke ku right mental state. So aso zinto eziyangisayo bafethu into ezikhona ezenzakalayo, so kumele sivikelane.
Yeah, kakhulu. I think khona ukhuluma ipoint eqhakathekile especially to us men. Thina madoda sikhule sithi ukuthi indoda kayikhali, inyembezi indoda zifele zwele esifubeni, which is something which is I want to believe is wrong. Kukhona kulento ezenzakala like you just said ukuthi akula into eyangisayo. Into ezinjengokuyaliwa akuyangisa ukuyaliwa uqali ngawo ucini ngawo. Khona besizoyaliwa abaningi futhi. And kuyangasi ukuthi ngwe wethu. So asonto bengakuhleka amajithu ukuthi uyaliwe but awubuhlungu ungakhuluma ngakho
ngoba bese sizihleke
thina amadoda vele singabantu abaweak even isikhambe into ezingokuyalwa zonezi kuma relationship umfazi ngakuyala umbi girlfriend ngeke ukuyale ifica ukuthi manje sezilengisa kanti cha ukhona omunye omuhle uphambili ozamthola ongcono kunana lo. So let's try again next time and just talk to a friend ngazi ehambe ekuhlambalaza but wena busukhipha iqhubele kuwe and wasizakala.
Yeah.
nakhona
la ufuna ueda ufuna semvuka uqhubeka
hayi nakhona ngathi nanzelela empilweni yamangaze ngizothiwa umfazi ubonakale
ezibophe ngenxa yokuthi uyalima
amadoda wodwa ungazothiwa injuwe kubotsha indoda elobhengula indoda ekhadi bakhe indoda which means amadoda bona concentration kanethe amadoda ngaphakathi yabo ngaphandle kwethu support ibhorathi amaseboreni
ayithi disappointment siyazi baba ibhora
I think it for the episode
Yeah.
But anyway, if you are new to this channel, please remember to like, subscribe, or engage and engage time, but I encourage you to please subscribe. Press the notification button loud press we better or subscribe and become part of the team. As you know, the program is proudly brought to you by Lucky Bets. Proudly also sponsors each game. As it told you, about Lucky Bets, sponsor for the chicken in chicken in is sponsored by Lucky Bets. And Lucky Bets is our number one sponsor. Gonna buy car. He sponsor program. But winning starts with responsible choices. Set your limits. Play for entertainment and never chase losses. Responsible gambling is encouraged. Think before you bet. T's and C's apply. And you have to be 18 years and above. Uyangena kona pana ku luckybets.co.zw, sign up. Yonke into imnandi, everything, amagame akhona kula casino, bora, ndege. We talked about this. There's a lot of games that you can bet, but please, so we encourage to
bet responsible.
Please bet responsible. Lokhu sahlala sokuthi asifuni abantu
yikho phela khonapho nxa usuhambe wadlala indege yadlala kubile ngawe awusakhuluma ukuthi lapho namadoda 30,000 ngayo usufela phakathi nge1000 lana usiyazilengisa ehlahleni thina sifuni umuntu we1 walenga emthini weCalvary nguJesu waphinde wavuka wona ungalenga uvuki
we don't encourage God. Bet responsible. Just on a lighter and exciting note, and there was at Deb 3 Studios. We've got a band, the Deb Band. I'm excited to share this news. The Deb Band is officially launching on the 15th of August at Bulawayo Theatre. Kebeko Fio. Official album launch, or recorded 20-track album. Kebeko Fio is there on all digital platforms. Look out for it. Support the Deb Band. Music for the mature. Music that speaks to the soul.
Yeah.
It's launching on the 15th of August, strictly by invitation.
Lapho selifuna zini.
Selifuna ama-gate crashers manje lapho. Singakira uku-invite siba ne-depression sizibophile.
Abantu batshela ukuthi yabe khona mhlawumbe strictly by invitation. Umuntu engasa-invitation
Uthola i-invite.
Ube kantshelanga phela.
But is officially
kube ngabe uhlala wafonela. Ngabe uhlala wabafonela.
Ngawufonela ama-invitees akhona nawo.
Just World Cup sikuba semi-finals. Sibonile African teams azamile again Morocco icinde ifike kuma quarter finals. There's one thing that emfuna sikhulume ngayo and into leyi slow ibamba but asiyibambi sharp. African teams we saw angenile ngo9 next round. After that disaster struck aphuma dismal amanye leader kulomjida okhuluma ukuthi African players can't concentrate for 90 minutes. What the African players, what the African defenders. What the black defenders.
Precise.
Uchomlwana tongo Bogdanovic. What walanzima kakhulu uchomlwana. But statement ayesikhulumile sisibone because ama-team amaningi afe ekucineni. What do you have to say about that?
Yeah.
Sidlula nje ku World Cup
it's always painful ukuthi umuntu nxa usumthethe endlini umgijimise esibhedlela sokhathi likapa afike silele khona nxa efike eminyango esibhedlela efe. Kuba buhlungu because lapha na isikhathi nesana sesikhangela ukuthi khona we have vaulted the team at 2-0 and said siyaqeda but mina ngiyedwa ngokubona kwami I don't know maybe I'm wrong. Mina ngeke ngadlala ibhora I've realized ukuthi umuntu omakayo ebhoreni ngiyodinwa kwedlula umuntu lebhora. So why am I trying to say it come that bese siya ku fact ukuthi nxa ama-African teams even la nxa ethola ama-chance ahlohla isikhathi esiningi babe maka ukwedlula those European guys because they are better than them. Then sokuzakuba le nto lento i-hydration break. I-hydration break lana bathi khona ngiyokuthi bephumule but mina ngibona nto more advantage to the team ebile upper hand than i-team engela upper hand, even though singasakhangeli i-scoreline sikhangela in terms of possession. So ekuphumuleni lapha nxa sisiphenduka ngesikhathi lami sengiqasa ukuphika ukuphumula isisikhathi esibuyela khona labana vele basebevele sebephumulile and bebuyele ground ngale bafika bebakhulele vele ama-Africans even ama-minor teams because bona babevele bemake isikhathi eside than lina begijime badini ukwedlula lina and you capitalize and nxa usudiniwe you're prone to make mistakes. Nxa usudiniwe concentration coming back to what he was saying uyabe ungasaconcentrate kahle vele. So those guys will be hunting for goals and hunting and by moment bedinga bengahlohla one lihleli 10 futhi wes likungezelela ukudini igobhora lanhlube demoralize ucabanga ukuthi maybe sebezaphenduka bengavele bephenduke wes ukubona kwami ngazi maybe that's my own opinion.
Mina ama-African teams njengamana ngikhuluma ngale Egypt la mina ama-African teams ngibona ngani i-problem yawo mase winile my leader ale problem yokuthi let us defend. Angazi umbe i-message yana bayithola ucoach but the best way to defend is to knock the ball. Ibhola lihlale kuwe libuyele linga kukhaya kuyayenza even the opponent lobi pressure kakhulu igcine yabona umuntu opressa kakhulu ucina ekumaka frustrated ugcine kulimaza lisiwa phansi la ngoma minutes kuyahamba but bona babevala lokamjala kwafana lokuvala amanzi uthathe ibhakethi lamanzi uthele phezulu lapha phinda phenduke futhi azigcine evuzile ngenye indlela vele.
Yeah, so nza support i-point kaMasuthu lapha ibhora globally selitshintshile kakhulu. Amfuni ukukhayelela phansi ama-achievement abo coach njengabo Mourinho kodwa ungamkhayela la ekathesi uMourinho sasimazi ukuthi ngupark the bus. One goal 6 my defenders, you know, but ngokuya influence yagcina itshintsha nje ibhora kathesi selidlalwa abantu sebelipasa, you know, kunywa Masuthu uthi the best way to defend ukuligcina or uku-attack, you know. So I think with us ama-African teams indaba nje mentality ungakhayela even if singadlali lama-European clubs or lama-European nations or lama-nations amanyangana aphezulu kulathi imithetho yethu vele umuntu engahlohla one goal kubo 80 minutes lapha sesiwinda down igame sesiwinda up igame sisiyaphela so asidefende khona kwesilakho but njengokusho ukuthi ibhora selitshintshile ama-teams lana amanye advance lana akwazi ukuthi yonke i-second e-counter ye-watching elenza urefe engathi igame siphelile kuningi okungayenzakala. Yabona so babe belokho bedlala they stick to their guns, they stick to ama-tactics abo. Sifuna ukuhlohla athakanini even if kade leader 2-0
they still want to score
more. Yikubona vele abanye behlohlana even ngabo 93 minutes abanye ngabo added time extra time still i-team akade draw 1-1 still attackana ama-teams ukuthi ukhona ofuna ukuwina. You know, so angazi ukuthi kungasi into esingayitshintsha njani but I think it's a mentality thing.
But le Brazil life enjalo phela kuno way. If engasonathana isikhathi. Ilima late.
So chomlalo right phela ngandaba abamnyama black.
Yeah, black defenders.
What the black defender? Ujo waqeda what the black defender? Bam attack that statement sounded as if it was racist.
I think wafela ukuthi uthe black.
I understand.
But ngabe nje kumbe wazithi what African or something but nxa sithi black I'm sure wayekhuluma nga wonke umuntu even ongasoye Africa.
Because i statement yena wayesikhulume after uchomo eBelgium edlisile last kubusho mna period card Belgium. I think igame angikwazi babe dliwa win uchomo why last man wehle ku clipboard wathi black uchomlana wathi black defenders. So I think this statement is fair general.
Wesabe Belgium phela abavele DRC ama defender
abanengi kakhulu but into lana even sayisibone into especially ekhunywa ngoMasuthu ubesikhala ngechicken mohle ukuthi bali phampa kakhulu ibhola ngaliphampa kakhulu yaphenduka
vele ibhola ngaliphampa kakhulu ungadlala lokhana okwakudala ikubona eZimbabwe lana yabo eka Sunday Mof uBoramberi liya yacha uBoramberi lapha yaphumelela but ithe singaphambili ngalo uBoramberi ngathi imberi liyabuya futhi
especially ngadlala abantu
Uzatshona umaka.
so
Iyatshona umaka.
to me I don't think it's an African thing or a black thing. I just think mentalities abo coach abathanda ukudlala direct football at some point vele will crash. Ungaze ube European ube whoever ongaliphampa liyaphenduka. Ugcina usithwele ziphi. Semi-finals we'll see England versus Argentina. That would be interesting. Spain versus I think this is the first time in the world where we see top 4
World ranking.
FIFA rankings kuba yizo eziya kuma semi-finals.
Even kuma quarter bekuyi top 8.
To prove ukuthi ama FIFA rankings are span.
Yeah, ngoba even kuma quarter finals.
That was the top 8
teams lezana.
Switzerland will
Beku number 1 to number
20 something. Switzerland number 19.
Yeah, I think singa keep Switzerland.
England isiphezulu kule Germany.
Top 4.
Top 4 England.
Top 4. So you see ukuthi top 4 is ezuma semi-final. Which game are you looking forward to? I'm looking forward to England versus Argentina.
Lena vile England sikambi look final lena ngikhangela mina. Ngikhangela le France le Spain.
Uqalisile.
Abakhuquluzi benotho sebekhambile.
Uqalisile.
Abakhuquluzi benotho asebehambile.
So nxa ubheja uLucky Base phana mina ngonika ngiyakuthipa nje Argentina
lapha khona sinuka igazi.
I think Argentina versus although England is dark horse.
Argentina nxa uref bengayenzanga abakufunayo.
Simele ukhuluma ngabo ref. That's a tired topic. Utsho embolo awufuna yenzeni.
Look embolo that was stupid look.
Yikho phela ngutsho.
That was stupid.
That's a tired topic. Okunye kumele sikhayele kuhle. Although kulamanye ama instances we see ukuthi Argentina ngani. But le quarter finals come on.
Akade sakwangisola ngalutho but kulozini emuva ngale ku-Egypt it was.
Anyway, back to my question, which semi-final are you looking forward to?
Obviously eyachaza ngelo kuzenini
France and Spain.
Then England is a done deal yeah. England is progressing. Akubuzwa lokho.
Kanye lawo
I think as a football fanatic, Spain versus France igame nalezi ebezikhala. Argentina le England sesibukelele ukuthi ama teams ethu ayadlala lapha. Lama players nje siyabe siwazi from adlalela ama teams ethu kuma club level. But France versus Spain.
It's a game to
final before final.
Final before final.
Okay, France versus Spain. I'm looking forward for lawo yakwazi ukusitshela ngoba ukuthi yipho ikhangeleleyo semi-final. Back to business, local football. I will it's drama usually. Alhlala zikhala. Alaba yafiwa. Sesiqalise khona apha ekhaya. Poso reappointment executive committee member Kindman Dlovu as acting CEO after uDenzel bethe Chapans put us. I think the team is given us enough drama. The 100 day
enough and umdalo zapho ngomfaka but very drama is never enough. Ngala akweneli when it comes to drama. Uyathi enough very kuzabuya okunye but
uDenzel ufeli into ezine bamsuspendele bamlistele into zakhe laphana.
Yeah, yabona iproblem eboss want ukuthi ayiswela ama scapegoats. Each and every time they fail to do something else, they'll find something to write off. And because they're failing to pay my players, they're failing to play even umkhandlu uthese bhala incwadi yakhe ukuthi kona incapacitated and sebemxotsha. Ama players ayalinda zawaholi. Sebelokuza then sebeqasa bephenduke futhi the same thing eke ayicourt eyokuthi kona imali eBotswana wathi bamsuspend ama lawyers akhe bayawin icase bayibisela back to sebedinge futhi kahle baphanda and sometimes you have to swallow a pride like what we're talking about ekuqaliseni lapha. You admit that you have failed, then you look seek for corrections and you get corrected and you move on. But the moment ungavuma ukuthi uphambanisile akunamuntu ozawuqondisa uzayala uphambanisa usiya phambili.
So lambe mphongo ukuthi turu ngoba mina I think
vela kulanto ungayikhuluma kakhulu uyakhuluma okunye namuhla kusasa sengokunye.
You understand? So ukuthi just in brief nje ukuthi yikho sokukhona because yikho sokukhona
kanti sebochiwe sibembophisile
uDenzel yikho. You understand? So what do you have to say about that? Sorry Kanye.
All right.
Mina like ku Islanders mbongani Islanders yonke vele okusho ngokuthi Islanders angazi kumbe ukufa kumbe wenzani cause like uDenzel ukhulume into ukuthi ayi lapha ngiholi kube kakhuluma ukuthi kaholi kube maybe ade singeke exotsho lawo wena maqhatshwa omunye umuntu uma umntwana eqhatshwe ngokuthi uma ephume ngokuthi hayi ngicela imali yami bamxotsha wena lawo usungena asazi kuzayenzakalani
yani lona ngu-acting
2 acting 2 awuqali ngoDenzel umbeba uke wakhuluma ngendlu manje kalabo ambelt
yeah zenenye
manje kala ambelt kwayilento ungakhuluma ngama needs akho ngento ebalulekileyo uyaxoxwa o uyakhitshwa ipost okiyo yona
uqinisile
so what kind of the leaders ezinjalo othi ungakhuluma something uyaxoxwa uyabe usungumnetsi hayi
literally
anything to add on top of that then
Yeah,
I'm tired ngento like serious
I mean khathele but lokho kaya ukuthi I think ama positions lawa anjengabo CEO kwendala ngala I think these are just ceremonial positions uyabufakiwe nje
Akunanto yenzayo.
uhlezi esitulweni but kahle kahle asuwenza into you know
you're not doing the duties of
wena umele ukugconwa kuphela
because nxa wakhangele in a proper organization uCEO nguyomele bebuzwa yena ukuthi awufa ama salaries but yena uCEO nguyosebuzwa ukuthi awufa wami umkholo uyabona so and looking at incwadi leziyana sokuthiwa hey ama rates hey uagent kwathunywa uagent uthi ahambe yodinga ihotela iclub lapha eza you know nxa kuyo agent elethi invoice yakhe elekhathi yakhe phezulu you know imali leziyana zipasiswe because ziyadlula ku treasury ziyadlula and agent according to incwadi leyana agent be recommendation ka chairman but sokubotsha uCEO yabona but ipasisiwe ngabantu abangadlula 3
yeah le yote ya celebration
yabona so
ayakhanja yabona 100 days iphethe yonke
sekuphuma zonke
at least nje uba umhlobo uthena akasahambi beyond uthe kahambi beyond item le ngoJanuary akasoze contest uzama eceleni kungena abanye abafuna ngeke sibone ukuthi awufa but
ukholwa kodwa
angakhuluma public lizaba lenhloni nemazwe
dala ziningi nje ezikhuluma public ziningi ezikhuluma public ezenzakale otherwise
inhloni
ziningi ezikhuluma public ezenzakale otherwise sithina sesikholwa ngokubona okunye sesikholwa ngokubona then mid-season transfer window still going on. We touched on a few last week. Then kube lokunye okwenzakeleyo during the course of the week where we saw ama movements amaningi of teams strengthening their teams again. Teams like Hunters. Because the movement eziningi izivela ku Scotland. Scotland has got a lot of players and it's learning to bekungani uyayilendi izathola uMachope ithola uChiweta very lajika wakhanya uChiweta sethutsha seku Hunters eScotland ngapha ithola uJalai I think udlalile futhi over the weekend which was a good acquisition considering ukuthi badlala Champions League eAfrica. I think Scotland is now strong enough. Teams like Manica Diamonds last week acquired 2 players. Which team also got players because movements amaningi which other teams got players or talking about the
kule team eyenza umsebenzi wayo uthule nje iya drop
yeah
ungakhayela Gerald Akwara labana labo Prince Dube plus bivele lama players wena yathenga kudala ubench yakwazi Nthembona nje
ezeswatini leza
Nthembona befaka uthiwa manje ukeeper oMaphisa you know kwangani kuhle kwabangani nje la new signing uzaba reinforcer because remember lana we know what he can do on a good day ndakanye hlwahlala so but overall ngiyephula ukuthi kathesi lathi ku Zimbabwe Premier Soccer League se nxa kuthiwa transfer window transfer window uyabona ama movements ama team athenga ama players abachintshana you know ngiworry nje ngeMosi
What's worrying ngeMosi
last year yayisethisele bekumele nxa ithengisa ama players njengabo Moffat so this season kunje so maybe ngabe sebelungisele uReinforce and ngabe sesibone lama reinforcements you know, but at this point lama supporters la sesebuza ukuthi kathi awufaka bafethu lisenzani but yabukhala ethi ngamanye ama teams because from outside team enganele structure sharp team akade inga-eda nje
so yes ubungakhangelanga ukuthi ingakhipha
ingathengisa ukuthi ingathengi
I get your point
ingathengi uyabona so I hope they reinforce nje la ihlala ibe top 4 top 6 team lapana because ngamanye ama teams ngiyabona futhi ifunding bala
structure as you are saying ngobona bekwanza ukuhambisa ucoach uthi efunda ku Man City it's a story for another day but ngabona team ikwazi ukuthi ucoach ambe efunda kuma structures anje Man City it says a lot about vision
structures
as a team. I also saw ama rumors ngani uChiramba Edmo Chirambadare is coming back to Chicken Inn. I don't know how far true that rumor is, but that rumor alone is showing ukuthi Zim is ready ukuthola ama players angani angcono awabo abanye abake baphuma baphandle bephenduka coming back to EPSL.
Yeah, ilokuzeni social media igcwele with that team kind of information. Akulapho type khona social media umbongena khona ungezwe ukuthi khona Edmo Chirambadare is heading back to ilokuzeni EPSL and is linked with the Chicken Inn, but nothing is officially been said. So if he can come, they need to be a good acquisition because he is a very prolific striker and he knows how to score. So kuyabe kuzabeef up with the squad that we have uze mzukane yalinda sihlana lelo kuzeni in the Chicken Inn. Imali yami ngithathe kuhle kuprogram. But kungase nani Scotland we've seen them loaning some numerous players. I still remember last time sikhuluma labo Masutu uthi khona abathengi bayawoda ama players amaningi and abantu abaningi abasadlali that kills ilokuzeni player. So nxa sibe loan back ama players, it's a good thing so that they can find game time and we can have a greater pool to select national team because I'm always worried about the national team. Ngoba kuyabe kubuhlungu ukuthi ubona umuntu ongadlaliyo uzothi asebizwe ku national team because wake wabarodumo which is not okay and kuyabe kudeprive abanye abadlalayo. So nxa belonwa bethola ama chances okudlala, it's good thing. It's so sad ukuthi ama teams Obulawayo Chiefs or Islanders but they are quiet, but even if they can want to be active, guess we are just umuntu ofuna ukudlalela the brand Islanders because you'll be knowing that I'm going endlaleni
bese mfuna ukueda umshora
isabuya khona lo mshora ngizwa uya trainer le Islanders lwana gala choice because vele bengadlali ngale lokuzeni lapha ekhona so I cannot choose anything umthethe akala choice yiko into ayikhunywa yabese amanye ama point uSuthman nxa ekhuluma efaka imizekeliso yakhe uSodoma leGomora ukuthi uAbraham loLothi bamile lapha uAbraham lothi etha ikhetha lapho ufuna khona ebesibona kulamadlelo aluhlaza khona ebese sithi ayikho lapha emfuna khona nxa uthi uyabona ukuthi kuluhlaza lapha enyakhona but usukhohle ukuthi no kungaba luhlaza but kungilokuzeni kuthiwa indani utshani lobunomhlana buluhlaza uthi into okuzeni inyamazana zingadla ziyafa umkhawuzana kanti kungumkhawuzana ukudliwa
lapho sukhulumela imove enzwa ngumshore
same ukukhuluma la ngakhuluma for this ukuthi now even khathesi kuyi open window you rather stay where you are if you are playing than to go for some when you team where you think you cannot play because
yazi okunye sekudasiphikisana but okujeni kube vuleke opportunity angazi
i-opportunity ayivuleke but la unxa uyibona nti kufuze ibona khona ngile chance ukudlala
yabona opportunity
alright Masutu ungakakhuluma ipoint yakho ukuwayilinda kathesi 3 months at the whole kule team ekufunayo even locally or abroad iyakufuna i-team le can't you make the move wena ngapha uyadlala
anyway umuntu uyayenza imove just because into ayifuna income imali anjho uzayenza imove but lapha sikushoyo ukuthi okwenzeni kwakho imovement ayisizukubulale yini ibhora umbe iza phela ama movements abula yabona manje yathi ukukhuluma ngobuthi weight anjho yesterday kade ngikhuluma lo munye uNchomo about ushi weight ngithi ushi weight final seku 1000 anjho uyakwazi ukuthi umonga Kopana Garnett now udlaleli uyabuzwa ku national team manje. It's because of the brand lapha de khona ku Highlanders. Kuba umonga umbate ku Hunters kuba kula muntu othiwa umonga. Ama chances ayo. Uthi weta kube kuthiwa
wahlala kwaye
hayi kumbe kuthiwa umove le ubuye back to Highlanders. Angifuna ukutshela manga down the line 6 months wathi ungamuzwa sebizwa kuloko because it's a player but lapho khona ama movement akubulala ibhola.
Ngiyayizwa
it's
a valid point Sibil but
ngiyafugcizelela ukuthi for example singagayela emuva kaMshore AmaZulu. Dala AmaZulu I team I think for the past 5 years iku transition. Ngakubuza athi identity ebhola AmaZulu kathi asiyazi.
Just because I follow PSL SA mina I can tell you
no AmaZulu dala I think ichinja ama coach angazumbe kangaka bayachinja
lokho kwabu atazwana AmaZulu
andiyabona atazwana khona ehlale
ayisuyo abizulu okuzeni umshore
nguwe
ata khona ehlale season e1 ephelile andiyabona so
is going for his second
so yiko ngisho ukuthi
and wayikhona kuliyana lokhuzene ngo-assistant
yiko ngisho ukuthi ku-transition usala vele even if kunguye wabiza umshore wayembiza ecabanga ukuthi kuzasebenza but ungumuntu osazama ama-tools akhe you know but maybe nxa kuyikuthi ngabe kathi sehlale icoach
I wanted to add something on move eziyabo umshore to ama-teams aphesheya because into yakhona sike sakhuluma ngayo last week sikhuluma ngabafana abancane abale potential yet bengekho that consistent. Those are some of the players abafall into that category because I will always say sebesimbona uBoys ukuthi but prove phela sesi compare which is another topic that we'll talk about sesikhuluma ngeMunu Mutapa. Those are the kind it shows about the youngster that we have elizweni. You understand? Point yami I drive kuhle uyizwe sesikhuluma ngeMunu Mutapa. There's a player like uNox Mtizwa. Nox is also rumored to be coming back but ukuthi lastly I think ubonakale Harare. These boys are former Highlanders players but ngani labo Prince iline yonke ngani abafuna ukuphenduka ngikhaya.
Trust me, there's no one doesn't want to play for Highlanders. But the problem ukuthi khona ku Highlanders you cannot play for ukuchayela ukhwelo lokuthethiswa lo inhlamba zonke zomhlaba ozozaziwa khona ngakho. Akula umuntu ongakufuna khona njalo. Akula umuntu ongakufuna. Yikho okwenza bengahambi ku Highlanders. But every player wants to play for Highlanders. Uma suthi ukhulumile point, Highlanders is a brand.
Proper.
It's a brand on its own.
Institution,
but the problem is they're failing to administration they're failing to live up to the brand abalayo lena. So khona kana kuyaphambanisa ukuthi ngihambe ngiyedlalela Highlanders then ngiyehola ukhwelo ngiyehola inhlamba because ku Highlanders I want to tell you ama Highlanders fan abalanda bale player balenda bale brand abasoza bathanda iplayer kwedlula ibrand that is lokhu sikubona kumonga bakuchayela ukhwelo usenza kuhle. They don't support the team, they celebrate with the team. Those are the Highlanders fans. That is why when nxa bengahlohlwa bayathula bengahlohla bajabule ngareach abajabule abasupport ukuthi bekumotivate i team ukuthi idlale kuhle. They don't do that. Lokana bengangizonda but iliqinisele khona ku Highlanders. The moment bengaqasa ukusupport nje njabo Dynamos ukuthi la nxa idliwa babehlabela ngale iHighlanders iyaphakama even in the field of play. So this is not what we are talking about now ever. So sesibuya kusokuzeni point ekhulumile ukuthi khona ngiyabe ku Highlanders ngingaholi for 3 months bese mbizwa somewhere else. You can go because of money, but you have to understand that if value a player increase nge game time. I value yakho nxa ungafika umshori usuke ku Highlanders edura. Khathesa kusela umuntu zamtime more than 2000 because I value yakhe depreciate.
2000 zik yo.
I'm not rating him in 2000, maybe go 4-5,000 khona
zik umbe
USD. Oh. Wona somfa ukuzike yabona because kadlala ngabhora. Ebongadlalanga ibhora so khona kana ungadlala ibhora so sebekhangela ukuthi wake wadlala but iform yakho they don't know it. So ilokuzeni ivalue ye player yonke increase nge game time ngokudlala kwakhe not ukuthi uthengwe ngemalini previously.
Hayi ngiyakuzwa. I think the transfer is still exciting. The window is still open. Sabe lokho si checker si Nox akwacaca ukuthi angabe bese ngifake iexample ka Nox Mtizwa is in the country use Harare last I heard ukuthi Cape Dynamos Scotland yini eHarare khona ngale but
Islanders inhliziyo yayichayi yabe kusithini nxa ama former Suns ebuya especially Prince Prince vele kwamele ehlethi
njalo ubuthi uqedile nxa kungela something uyabukwa phezulu nxa uyisana usuke khona uyawazi ukuthi Eden kuyayilahla ukuthi uphenduke wena sokumele kube le change kumbe Eden kube ngo o improve I understand but nxa ungela improvement ukuphenduka futhi ucina uyilahla ucina usiya yabo
yeah
so that's the transfer window Imunu Mtapa was saying Imunu Mtapa happened over the weekend and I'm glad and I'm happy with the final 32 isikhona. There were games ebesikhuluma ngawo ukuthi siwakhangelele like iGwanda Pirates le iGwanda Pirates le Harare City
yeah
uMadeya wayengani uyashayina gcine sebembona sebemduduza omachisa sebemenzela izitayela iphe eli result elichaza because iGwanda Pirates going through for me I was looking forward vele ukuthi iGwanda Pirates idle Harare City and I was happy about that result. But speaking about Imunu Mtapa ngaka lose itoti yama edenkhuluma ngasithi I want to make a point. Kule team le yabo Gogwerere James.
Yeah, not on big boys.
Team yamadara. I'm a veteran. Talk of Gogwerere. Talk of
Oscar
Machapa. Talk of Ndaba. Valentine Ndaba. Ngabantu Chegula lo bulewe ngama drugs kakhulu obese phendukile Rodrigue Mutuma obese phelile uMtuma se ama drugs asemqedile. I was happy though ukuthi wavuma ukuthi ama drugs ambulele babafana don't fall into trap into enyenzakaleleyo but those guys gents former players ngabadala ogogorere ngama 40 something vele abantu esikhuluma ngama 40 something besidla abafana abancane beze beyingena ku last 32 of Imunu Mtapa nje umbuzo lo until unless inze nithole impendulo eproper into esikhuluma ngabafana labo omshore you get an opportunity aren't you sit your spare phela you get an opportunity go spare phela kwabanye abafana isize zakho babonisa ukuthi no mina ngisavuthiwe ngupotential uyehluleke mdala udlala training waya beze bethi hayi Topi go back
eba nguball boy
beze bethi Topi buyela
ngama kids
uyabona ukuthi kuchoni ngebhora lethu nxa Rodrigue Mtuma beyabulawa ngama drugs ephenduka bezothova bedle ama team okulabafana abancane bezithole bengoTopi beku last 32 yeMunu Mtapa
point ilokuzeni yakho mdala inkinga ibhora lithintshe khona kade ukuthi uganethi ibhora lithintshe manje ibhora qala belidlalwa ngabantu abale heart ye football
yeah
abalothando lo football umdala ukuthi umuntu lo uyalithanda abafana bamanje amboni ukuthi manje if bengazange bethi Tuesday is training balindele Tuesday training ukuthi behambe be train eYCity ingayekela kuba khona batsho abezihlalile lokuzini afa manje vela amboni ukuthi ifootball bathatha serious labana abadala babonisa ukuthi yabona one kwe experience two into lesithatha serious ikubona bebadlile
right. I think enye into sibuya khona lapho I will tell you something ngizawunika example ngomfana odlalela eCape United okwadlala ku Chicken Tong Bretamito. Do you know to uBretamito sometimes wayesinqabele training uyakwanisa usuka endlini yakhe ngenya egijima esize town ezongena ebhasini bengikhona beza kuya train eChicken kulokuzini ku stadium kana oCharamba laman uCharamba even nxa bese yaku camp uyahambela ama equipments akho kufike be trainer esenza ama extra exercise yethu khona kana ukhunywa ngomasudu then bese ngibuya indaba ukuthi khona ngunike futhi an example for Clemens Matawa. Do you know to Clemens Matawa yena tutshwana? But most people they don't know that. Kaqalisanga kade sesechipora. Why vele nathi even esadlala ibhora? Why abantu bengakwazi self discipline? He understood ukuthi nisemsebenzini. Kade siwena ngakuthi nilistela ama players anathi utshwala ku Premier League kade siyantshela bonke awuchieve no1. Awuchieve no1. Because nxa day engaselectwanga ku team uthatha we advantage day of yokuya nathi utshwala. But uMatawa even nxa engaselectwanga ku team wayenganathi utshwala. because yabekwazi ukuthi una utshwala akufuzanga nginyebheni energy ngiphinde ngiyibisele ngilesikhathi lapho enatha khona utshwala njengomuntu onatha utshwala but not ukuthi ngiphomba ukuthi so now utshwala obukhona futhi kade sasotshwala bomningi so ngama drugs omtoriro lokho ubulala umzimba bakhona abanye ama players eFC Platinum ngibona every time ngodlala ibhola lapho nake kuyinto nje kuyinto uthi umuntu yini lo but engakwanisi ukuze then ubusukhangela ukuthi khona by so doing you are killing yourself, you are killing your career. That's where usebenza khona kusemsebenzini wakho. Umsebenzi wakho ufuna more energy, ufuna more concentration. Awufuni yenye over. Awufuni ukuthi usebenze ubuyele emuva uthi uchisa ifethu libisele. It needs consistency. Yikubona even bona baba excelayo billiard omsona. They rarely drink. La nxa benatha awusozibuka kwasibanatha. But abala idiscipline okay ithi lona wayibhemi kwayo but usumuntu uyabhema uyanatha utshwala ngasumbona uJackson babesenza konke but babekwazi ukuthi kulesikhathi sokuthi isikhathi sebhora ngusizini yebhora then off season njabe sengizidatshela madiro
so in a nutshell uthi abafana bakhathesi the lack is self
discipline they lack self discipline before they are being managed ama managers abo bayayekelela of course banatha utshwala kwezinye indawo zonke into but usunatha utshwala to do after that unganatha utshwala to excess natha njenge
celebrity. I mean I think konke lokho siyakubisela down to ama systems ama institutions abo mntana yakhumbula sike saxoxa siseluveve ngeSaturday no besivela khona sihleka sithi no kubo England abomnetsi ibhora ngomsebenzi uyavuka ngo8 8 you know so I think kuma clubs kulama departments abe shorter you know le department I'm happy ukuthi boss angasi kuyasebenza but I'm happy ukuthi bayenze I partnership you know with this company nutritionist you know yabokwazi official nutritionist so yabosokwazi sokulo muntu otshela ama players ukuthi uhlale ufit ukuthi umzimba wakho uhlale uhealthy kumele udle so nxa kuyikuthi yanatha kumele unathe so I don't think ukuthi into le ezinjalo zikhona ema club
konke lokhu nyako but do you realize ukuthi you are not answering my question
sibuya ekuphenduleni umbuzo wakho ukuthi khona the moment you destroy your health you cannot be at par with those people ababedlala kudala ibhora labana kudala benatha iadvantage yabo babenatha emashake kade sokulapha umntori utshwala omningi babona utshwala obuhlolekile ngongela unjengu labo ngokuyala
mina ngutshela ngoRodrick Mtumo oyenza ama drugs uphendukile ukhulela abafana benu bona laba
usenza ama drugs lona usenza ama drugs but laba sikhuluma abantu abanatha utshwala which is official to abanatha in public utshwala bona bayana buya affect ikakhulu especially lokho okungaka sokuthi unga 5 rand ukufika i40% kuyabulala abafana kunikya
no ipoint yakho ngiyayizwa Topi lapha senza contradictor but still ipoint yami ukuthi ama systems ama players lana ungakhayela ama players kudala obala istory nje ukuthi Dimbare so iDynamos wawuthola kule story sokuthi uzothi namhla ibhasi bihamba ithatha amachita 1 by 1 ezindlini besiye gamini bengatrainanga bengakhempanga you know and those people kwakule kebe kubanike iopportunity babelesikhathi esiningi sokuthi beyenze khona kade ukukhuluma machisi ukuthi kade singabe ngatshela ukuthi training Tuesday engakela ukuhamba ku training uyatshona ehlezi lapha maye labana babetshona behlezi yakhona ukuthi ehlezi iwiki yonke kumele bebe ku camp beyothathwa ngeSunday ngo11 esiyadlala ngo3 yabona la yabe lesikhathi esinganani sokuthi ehlale phansi enathi utshwala wonke abufuna yenza idrug lonke alifuna but the difference ekuthini labana babe lenhliziyo for ibhola
exactly they are disciplined
but machance I've known Johnny Singozo bebe Tigers Ronald Gidiza sibanda bebe Tigers kwesisikhathi the disciplinary problems but the level of inconsistency those guys ababeyenza ungamfaka eground mina kade I bet my last 1 rand ugidiza nje ungamfaka eground uyakhulela abafana benu abaningi
yiko phela sobuya back to ipoint ehlogane yokuthi labana bebuya besiyadlala for the love of football umuntu ubothi ngafuna ukudliwa into le uyayithanda uyazi uyayenza into oyithandayo uyabe ungafuni ilose yakho
so nje abafana abaningi abadlala ibhola
abafana manje
abalithandi ibhola
badlalela iflare
abafana manje belose vele manje athi abathwala nzima mina I've always say even ku Islander phakathi umfana othwala nzima ngulo wathwa umbeba uyambona but umfana ula kuyiloko izinto khana umphothi umfana uyinto le kuyathi abaningi laba vela babengalanda Kwabe ngani ngumuntu nje
So, Jens-
oyisifoni wayidobha athi hayi krikhanga.
So Jens, you tell the whole of Zimbabwe, we've got youths and players like that.
Abaningi kakhulu.
into eyi-one ofuze i-understand ukuthi kona the young stars have believed that ukuthi kunathu utshwala is being istayile and
But Jens, yikho phela example ngenza ukuthi even uGidiza bebenatho uNgozo bebenatho.
angiyalanga ngikhulumile ngakutshela u-energy mramadoro babenathu utshwala bonke labantu ngikhuluma ngokuthi khona into ongayifuni ukuyivuma wena ukuthi ngesikhathi sabo utshwala babebunatha kwakungela lokho kulungiswa embare lo
Hayi. Dala igasi utshwala kuyafanana.
Utshwala bufanana.
Hayi.
Ikona ukudla kungafani.
Asifuna ukufika ukuthi utshwala babukhona babunjani but babe natha la beyenza izinto zabo.
But bebengaswelakala ngemasikhathi ama-trainings.
Ababe ugidizwa umswela bese bemdinge nge-day game. Efike esipere ukudlula abanye abantu ababetrainer. Nginika ama-examples oyaziwayo even ku-comment bakunika kade sibekutsheni babedinga odezi kapenya laba uzethwa izigona etholakale efike egemini espere
yakhumbula tournament yana sasihambile yamalokuzeni yana ama-social ugidizwa ngoba thiwa bedlala pha la manje bangangena uyabona ukuthi ogidizwa badlala ngeheart kabafuni lokhu manje esikukhuluma ukuthi abafana bamanje nje bawuthatha ngani badla i-PlayStation yikho ubona amasabathazi kusathi bezondela abafana abalandaba ukuthi kumbe kudliwe kumbe balafana ama-players awudala look at Islanders from 99 to 2001 ibidlalela abantu labanokuthi abafuna ukudliwa bawuthi ungababona even kusasa babekwazi babezidlalela emzilikazi
so that goes back to bonke abafana esilabo elizweni ukuthi bonke ungabafana lokho esikhuluma ngakho akula love
khangela ngisabuya khonapho futhi into engiyikhulumayo into esiyikhulumayo ulokuzenini khona okukhunywa ngolokuzenini those players babestibe ngaluza nxa bedliwe njani namhlanje wongabathole endaweni zamabhawu babengahambi in public babecatsha for sometimes isikhathi betholakala kodwa ama-trainings besenza konke nxa bewinile kabahamba kade abafana beqeda kudliwa 5-0 4-0 mfica kusamriwa ngale same day yena le nalikhaya
same day uyamfica wena uselemuva
kodwa labana bebenathu utshwala isikhathi eyayizila khona la utshwala dala lapha ngaze ngikhambe ngiyijabula labantu abantu bekhala ngizanathanisa after ukuwina.
I think that one I can buy but the whole country
so
it's a generation.
It's a global world.
It's a generation.
So because check nabenga expect ukuthi team kwabogogoro kuyakufica mdala sikhuluma ngoTofi
labana mdala
sibalazi
labana
so unutshela ukuthi angithi draw yabuya kade i-team yabogogoro leyana bengayinika i-Islander
ilachaya maphe eziyi-3
lonke azo the future of football
no ibhora phela la Johnson into efuze beyazi
that I know but mdala kule situation ukuthi abadala labana because mina sese iboyze besidlala ku-Douglas Mloyi bebuye uTofi bezodlala social but sethi siqede utshethe mfana wami hayi yakigijima sesibachaye engezikwesikwathi bachaye 7 to prove you understand ukuthi even lina lidlale to that level thina into lesayincanywa and siyalibona but ungabona i-team ezenza abogogorere seziku-last 32 of i-Premier Trophy eZimbabwe besidla ama-teams alabafana abancane.
Uyazi Ganethi enye into phizwa ngo-Ashini uGanethi ukhuluma ngesikhathi sakhe kanje lo u-Ash ukhuluma ngesikhathi sakhe isikhathi sakhe soneso bekuyisikhathi sabongozo isikhathi soneso isikhathi sokuthi ubuthatha isawa iphepha lesawa
ufaka umoya bophilungisa
ibopha kusiba yilove usiyadlala kwenye indawo manje abafana lamanje la umfana kungayekela ukuthi kuyamjoyinisa kumbuya le football club i-chickenini balutshwa bafaka udlala imphepha vela
abadlala imphepha enqadla
ayisikwakweni
abafana vela bathanda indaba lakho lokho
kuba into ekhuluma singumzenye into kule interview eyenza uGanethi esenza uMadini wakhuluma something eliqiniso esasiyenza sonke lapha sasadlala ibhola uyakhumbula ukuthi wena usingivini isikhumba singaphuma izwalo ungaphuma lolu wawufaka inhlabathi ucontinue udlala ibhola but kade sama injuries abafana bengadlali kwini ukuthintwa kuphela sothwa nje injury ukuthintwa
so we've got soft boys abadlala
abadlala ngumphepha
asela abafana esingathi
injury twa injury
lokho vele it's a global thing ongakhala even international mana ongakhala even international ongakhala international into ezazenziwa ngoMaradona eBoré aziyenzwa kathesi into ezazenziwa
ngoBoré washo ukuthi uyaphikisa okay
I'm backing myself with something
tina abafana bamanje even ku-Scotland labana loba bekhona labangani but now they are motivating ukuthi lingawina salinike i-500 athi kala wena wawudlala ibhola ngela motivation manje ilakhi bet le sifake i-motivation hayi bafana ukuze lathi ibhola sibuke lathi ibhola
nasi
200 hayi kona ukuthi ngokwenza ilakhi bet
yakwazi wabe mphikisa ukuthi it's a global thing mdala asikhayelele eduze kona la
hayi
bo South Africa bafana abancane abanjabo really mina because into engikhulumisa Garnet yazi wini ngikhuluma ukuthi let's take our best youngster in Zim simhambise singamhambisanga kahle simhambise kona apha eduze bomakhelwane because the level of consistency edlale as prove umfana ukuthi sivumela ukuthi no
nangani Divine Loom nangani Divine Loom
uDivine I can understand because i-era avela kiyo mdala ayakusibe kuphekwa abafana uPeter Bongela anyawutshela yabo lapho usubuya lapha embuya khona i-era yabafana laba
wena futhi uyaziconfuse ukhala ukukhuluma ngento yakho institution wathi kuya ngokuthi institution yakho lenjani eSouth Africa ungathatha umfana ole 14 years kumbe ama youngsters ubona napo Adams laba abachonile kanje umthathe ethi iyouth yakhe kube lo muntu kade ebakhangelele umfana uthi uphekwa njani uyenza so umfana uyenza so ephuma lapha training uyangapha ephuma lapha uyenza so lapha
no yazi into eyitho Masudu bemfuna ubonisa something I'm glad you have said that khathesi ungathatha orele uthatha unye wabafana umbe any team or just pick any team eSouth Africa upick ama legends abulawa ama legends ano 5 into engikhuluma ngayo ukuthi I don't expect ukuthi ochomi labo Gogoriri ngema ejabo bechaya ama team a serious abalabafana abancane abatrainayo beze befika to last 30 that's my worry it's worrying because besikhuluma ukuthi look at abomsono abokhama billiard they are shining eZimbabwe eBorele so
Gogorere balama how many years
abo 40 something badala hayi 41 ngebhora abo 45 46
wena umzali wakhe wena
umzali wakhe wena bathi ngobotopi into okusala ngabotopi laba sikhuma abafana abancane ke abafana abancane isize abomenzi Jake mina I bet my last cent ngisadlala ibhola new boys babe besidle okugogorele laba vele ngeke befike
i-passion yabo la
babe befike kula 32
uMourinho waza ukukhuluma khona ukukhuluma ukuthi even global uMourinho ekumenu esithi khona uyezwa umuntu esithi khona le injury just ulimele small toe uyabona ikho khona
anyway angazi ukuthi i-conversation le ithini kuwe. If you're watching us for the first time, please remember to like, subscribe, share, and engage us in the comments. See what you
tell. Let me are big boys.
See what you tell about this debate that we're having about the studio. Imunum Tapa last 32 teams that have qualified. I think I've got
a list. Yeah.
Ule Blanket Mine Central Region, Kwanda Pirates Central Region, Kwekwe United Central Region, FC Oden Northern Region, Marere Northern Region, Moz Under 19.
I'm happy.
Black Rock Southern Region, Aqua Stars Southern Region, Wange Southern Region, Jordan Southern Region. Yenga my players ama teams amaningi. Chile FC Midlands, not one big boys. Mash West Province. Chati Geje.
Chati Dege.
Mash East Province. Scotland Academy.
We understand.
Harare.
We understand.
Then Scotland PSL.
PSL Yonke. So mentioned I'm happy. But out of all these teams that we've mentioned, socially one even bedlala uthi 2 yabogwegwereni
but bafethu kwenzakalani ma i-draw
imhla
iyenzakala mhla ka-22 July kuyenzakalani nxa umuntu engadopa ibhora leMoz Under 19 ethi versus Moz ku-PSL or Scotland Academy versus Scotland
kuyabekwenzakele ziyadibula ziyadlala le i-FA Cup
ngombhejo
yikho kuyabekwenzakele kanti uyabuyathini i-draw yabiphumile so for i-draw yena le ka-22 ngifuna ukubona ukuthi not big boys bayinika and iyaphela
bayinika iScotland bekuthayela iScotland ubone isifa
hayi manje ngeke beyichaya eScotland manje because
iScotland lilabana
ali futhi umnikazi wenotoni big boys nguScott
uScott wathi wayekhangela umduma wasesithi asomntuma yedwa obe former footballer wayenza ama drugs abanye wasekhangelwa abantu abaningi benziswa into zabo depression lanti abasaholi abasadlala
Big up to Scott by the way for that.
So wasesithi asifomeni in Norton Big Boys ngizafaka imali mina abantu ama legends ethu bedlala
ethola ku Division 2 ka
ethola kokwenza ethola income as well. So yeah, pick up to Scott.
Thank you so much. That's a nice initiative.
Yeah, that's it.
Because ufuna ukuthi imali isebenze khona lezo.
Moving on, gents. Kule game abagcine beyithema bathi short time.
Ngere kuhle kwaba le player itwa short time.
Short time ngizile. Ele Dynamos eli short. Eli korile last 3 minutes.
But short time game leya Hard Rock versus Dynamos idlali 14 minutes there. Although sukukhulumile okuningi kuma previous episodes but finally idlaliwe iDynamos idli lokuzeni iHard Rock ku 14 minutes. Same players, everything. I think everything was babisela because Prince wathola abadlalanga labo la Dynamos abana but I think kulento eyi1 engayenzakalanga
Genesis
uMangombe uGenesis akahambanga iPSL iza kumbe they just leave it as it
they
is.
leave it as it is because ulozo assistant coach wayikhona.
Oh, okay.
So akulanto abangayenza lapha na.
Yeah, I'm worried that decision but I'm happy ukuthi
but vele kongayenzi wona sukuwaxotsha khona akuyenzi.
And I'm happy ukuthi uKhakha Genesis is back ku triangle. Yeah. Masinya and ama allegations iDynamos
ya drop ama allegations
bahle ba drop abathi
Ora bondo wakwindaba ukuthi uhamba ungavuma ukuhamba wena because abantu abana ngomthetho kamele be terminate contract asif nxa ibikhona ukuyi terminate ayikumnika imali. So lapha abasemthetho indaba yokuthi wena sesikusula amacala asakunika imali hamba. Yabona but yeah, I mean like you said ukuthi we are happy ukuthi seqalisile ukusipane triangle.
Yeah.
I hope we achieve uhambele khona ngale.
Ukuthi short time asiyibukelanga but mbona bakhona bazanga beyithinta ibhora. U14 minutes la beselithinte lonke manje.
Isikhathi esiningi
kakhulu. 14
76 minutes.
iSenegal ibilida 86 minutes. Na Jume ilida 2-0.
Wavuka uzoxoxelwa.
Ngathi mvuzo 3-2. It shows ukuthi hayi 30
ikubona team ihlohla nge5 minutes. Chicken ihlohla nge5 minutes that day.
I30 chicken yahlohla
itry iCaribe ihlohla nge4 minutes. So iphora liyadlalwa ke.
Ngiyahlohla umnyaka ayithinta.
Hayi amalokuzeni.
But baphuma bengadinwa ngabantu.
Team obvious ukudinwa i14 minutes awungabona usuphela nge14 minutes awu coach umele be worried. Let's move on just to feeling lucky with lucky bit that segment where we look at our Premier Soccer League. Ngendlela level predicting us unfortunately
angekho.
But ama Giants azama ukuthi predict ebona ukuthi how far. Let's look at the games that played on Saturday. In fact, you're casting a Thursday short time, then a Friday Scotland. Yeah, voting cool. Scotland continues to dominate, gents. And the worrying factor to me, I saw the team there.
Ayizahlohlo, ayikahlohlo.
Worried ngani wena?
Worried ngani because ungayidlala kuhle ukuthi ba defend.
Yabona Khaled, mina ngikhayela izinto ngenye indlela. Ungabona team isihamba abo 9-10 games
inahlohlo
11 games. You understand ukuthi ama teams can dominate and win games. That one I ain't worried about. But selihluleka lokuyihlohla Butters.
But even ihambe njalo ayikafiki ukurecord ye13 lokuzeni neCaps United. Yakahamba. So iScotland is on the limelight because of lokuzeni ukuthi ile mali and stuff like that. But
not really. Besikhuluma nje ukuthi football has changed. Ungabona lokho kusiba lama trends and tendencies kanjengona lawana. Be worried as a football fan. Be worried as a football fan.
Why?
Teams are failing to compete in a nutshell. I want
uzathi ehle kanjani ngahle ayikahlala namateam amakhulu be.
Mthala.
Isikahlala
iCaps yadliwa. Ungangitsheli ngiyayilinde. Ungangitsheli ngiyayilinde. Mina ngikhuluma ngama teams that khale singikhuluma top 3 teams. Caps also failed to
I understand.
So I'm worried.
The good thing though, Iad Rock is still piling pressure.
Hard Rock is number 2. Failed to score.
But it doesn't mean anything. And
But as long as it doesn't mean anything.
Yeah,
It's telling Hard Rock azange ihluthe Scotland in first and second league.
First league by 0-0.
Azange ihluthe first and second league. So these boys, Peter Kelvin, they are rock solid defense yabo. It's not conceding.
But
So ngizibuza mina ukuthi
Sizawabona ngesanda amna vela
so
ngibavumi la.
they continued badlalile the tail one nge-Friday bawinile 2-0. Understand? So mina ama opponents ngizakukhuluma even sesikhuluma next opponent eScotland. I'm just saying mina I'm worried ukuthi teams are failing to compete. Abantu sebengakhuluma okunye kwawo because yathenga ama game but that team iyabhula ama team kuhle amanye amaningi abhula but bra at least zamanini phela nani compete lihlohle bhudas lingabona team sihambe 4-5 games ingahlohli e6 ayizama ukuthi abahlanya laba mana kathi sicompete ngamanye ama trends
bangena ground bengafuna ukuhlohla. Give credit where it's due. The guys
I'm giving credit, but this is what I'm saying. I'm worried. My opponents. At least it's Joanini 3-1.
They will eventually score. What does I want to corporate PF?
Yeah, IPF has a sneaky pain.
Mtana. Anti sizahlala after futhi la. So Scotland winile 2-0 ku Telwane Friday. Le ay obvious ama chance ayebambini. Then Saturday iSimba Bora played ibulawa Chiefs bayinika la i2 zayo 2-2 ama chance ayebambile. Chicken Inn played eManica Diamonds. Chicken Inn won 2-1 on Saturday.
Masutu ayebamba mina ngayala ukupredict.
ZPC Kariba played against the Unders. It was a 1-1 draw. That one. Then FC Platinum played Islanders. I think wena ngowasinga because ubuhambi yayinjani game wayibona njani?
Island yabale one shot on target yaba
So iTimothy zadlula Scotland.
Yayidlala ePlatinum lapha abesidlala eScotland.
Oh okay.
Yes.
Continue abensitsho nje continue bensitsho nje.
Hayi phendula yakho lihlala thathe yesithuzana.
Continue bembuza because you were there. Just give
yona Island ayadlala nje isileki nje uthi azange bele pressure kuphela phambili uthi ibonisa ama opportunities engokukora. Sehluleka just ukulokuze.
Okay. Anti yamuza ukuthi thini guys?
Ngiyamlalela.
Yayinjani?
Uthi ayibanga le pressure ukuthi ikwanise ukuhlohla phambili.
All right. Okay. Then iCaps played against Ingezi 0-0 draw.
Kuthiwa kwakudlala Ingezi Urban versus Ingezi Rural.
But I'm happy though Ingezi bra. I think that's the team we've always been saying this. Ingezi is team of the season.
On football merit, team of the season.
Because ngakukhuluma nxa befuna ukuthi belokuze vele Ingezi iproblem eZimbabwe ukuthi the team that wins the championship is given a team of the season. Look at this team, it didn't buy anybody, it didn't do anything.
It's banned, bra.
Iko vele ayizange ethenge umuntu, ayizange beef up squad sayo, but they are doing exceptionally well. Thina sile cream konke into ukuthi sithenge siyakukuruka sikusiphansi nga.
Then on Sunday, Dynamos played against Imoz Ngoni Stadium. Dynamos won. Dynamos is in fine form. Dynamos is Imoz 2-0. Then Renters lost to Hard Rock by the same scoreline, 2-0. Agama finally remembered how to win a triangle or 1-0. So those are the matches. Any highlight umala awangesandi?
Agama laba ngani sebe closer like indaba yokusurvivor sisiba more realistic, you know. Labo hunters laba ba strengthen even kwama players abuya on loan, but uyabona ukuthi ngabantu abafuna ukwenza something towards ukuthi be survive. Sengazo triangle.
I think my major highlight is Dynamos yesana. Umlungu lo sikhuluma ke groupini uthe ethuchile amfuna uthatha credit ka Genesis. Genesis did well and Dynamos behlala sikhuluma ukuthi Dynamos iqotshelana uGenesis, but ukubuya komlungu into ngikhuluma egroupini abantu bebehleka, but chance do you know ukuthi i-team ngakhotshwa ngumlungu there is something that happens, especially ezimba nxa umlungu akona into yakhe ayenzayo eyazi ungaremember isikhathi sabo sika Eddie May even uBrito recently Brito you could tell uthi iHighlanders is on the right path. Look at the Dynamo, what's happening to Dynamo Smudge.
Hey, I saw it go and I think think S2 yakhona yini. You know ukuthi ibhora ngendlela kade libiselwa ngayo so ukuthi lithi thatha libuyele ku defender libiselwe ku wing yabe kwazi ukuthi vele iposition yami le and ibhora lade lifika limtholi positional play awubona ukuthi ano sokolo jinjo man akusese leyani yokuthi asidlaleni ibhora sisikhabele egedini.
Yazi talking about ibhora noloshoyo besiyiviwa kweindawo yazi ukuthi you can see now tell uthi Timbare ayisacha ibhora lembasambasa letho ayikuhayi
sibedlala ibhola
azofind fight
sibedlala ibhola
liphilwe baba uguarantee ulibone kahle
bebejabe
lathi labeli se wing ndithi mali suke wing lwana umuntu the way li cross ngayo vele lesho ukuthi lwa
akatshona ngecabanga
atangacabanga
ebekwazi ukuthi lingalihambisa line lapha na kulo muntu lizafika lithola umuntu ene lafika lithola umuntu wali cross ala yedele egedini.
So yabona ukuthi I can back myself up into eyikhuluma. Look at the Cape United icoachwa ngu umlungu Makarisen. Yeah, ijayidlala njani?
Yeah.
Not saying ukuthi odaki bethu abakwanisa ukhocha no, but there's something
umehluko
mapezi yabakwanisa bonke amakhiwa yini. Mapezi yapasa ibhora madoda lona. Angathola team.
Resistance. This guy is a prop.
Yapeza njengebizo lakhe.
Yeah, what it I'm just saying ukuthi kungaba lo mlungu nje. You see amanye improvements, especially even ama player awona le team abephiwe umlungu. Akhona abanye amalungu ababengakwanisi njengalo omunye ucina lo Dijongo alona yabe ibhonki yabo but so you look Scotland is leading. It's interesting though. I think CTC take outright because Scotland is rookie validity is now on 7 points.
7, yeah.
Dynamos. Consistency Dynamos 9 points. It's now number 3 or 4.
So kusiya ngokusho kaMasutu nxa iya drawing awina nge weekend. Yabe sithiwe nge 4 points because uthi ibosi yawina uScotland.
Mana singene kuma fixtures. So that's the top 3. The bottom 4 is the relegation zone. Agama number 15 on 19 points. Tail 1 number 16 rather on 17 points. Manika Diamonds number 17 on 16 points. Triangle 11 points on number 18 12 zone. Kiyasindwa blind triangle. I don't see Umangome yenza magic, but I never know there's 36 points to fight for. That's 12 games left.
But yeah, no, for 29.
12 games left in the Premier League. Magic can still happen. Simbone, yeah, ukwenzile phela. Ukhumbule ubuyile vele Tanzania, wayithatha triangle, wayisurvive.
Ibinge konje.
Yeah, well, but
nevertheless.
So, gents, iviki ebuya is tricky because we've got weekend fixtures, slim midweek,
yeah.
Weekend. So mfuna sikhayele just the two weekend the midweek, but we can still do all of them, man. Because it's a shoot abe.
Midweek and this week.
Oh, let's look at the Sunday.
So this week at last midweek.
So let's look at the weekend. So because the other week midweekend. So match 23 aqasa ngeSaturday Bulawayo Chiefs take on FC Platinum eLuveve. Kaloku uthi
Bulawayo Chiefs sokunzima these days ukuyiprojectela straight.
So Platinum eScotland, hey.
So what's your prediction?
It's a draw.
Tail 1 takes on ZPC Curry by Ascot.
1-1 draw.
Tail 1.
FC Hunters takes on Chicken in a stadium.
Left draw le.
Chicken in win at this.
Draw. Against Hunters.
So indlela edlale ngayo that day win Chicken.
What do you
Singona ingcono than iPhone sabona isikhathi sonke.
No, mina bembuza ngigayela i-Hunters, but I know it's...
Because i-Hunters ayibhivile.
Yeah.
Lama results abe kanti. So ngezi text on i-rentals e-Baobab.
Rental. No, ngezi. Abengazwa ngihome hayi.
Moses text on Agama eNgoni.
First win Moses na.
Agama yawina.
Double chance yagama yawina.
Umntasa nje what's happening with coach abahamba emazweni. Abasupport eMoses bese sithi akachaya phansi umntana.
Wena ufuna ukukhuluma ipoint yokuthi coach bami emazweni. But
emazweni ayidlali ibhola. Emazweni
wena ufuna ukuzwa statements ama-spies.
Amazweni adlala ibhola. Sesikhulumile ibhola.
But like I said, iMozi yarelease ama-players ayizange yabhifa up isquad. I think bebesele ukuthi ba-right. Yabona. Asingakhithwa yakhayela coach.
So what's your prediction asayizwa?
Agama, mina I give double chance. Agama, i-best result for Moses draw, others Agama will win.
Okay. But Agama.
Mina straight Moses.
Oh, okay. Then Manica Diamonds takes on Caps. That's the last game Saturday.
Yeah, Farouk.
Caps.
Yeah, Manica.
Caps will win.
Oh. Then Sunday, 19th of July, we see Hard Rock take on Triangle Chawanda.
Hard Rock.
Triangle.
Okay, this is lapho.
Yeah, Rock yawula.
Triangle yawina. Because Triangle lapho khona vela isadlalisa ayisesabi lutho. Siyiteam enzima ukudlala layo le. Triangle.
Oh.
Iteam esinzima ukudlala layo.
Echawanda.
Zapinda futhi
umbono ikothiwa ngumbono wakho.
Zapinda.
Umbono vela wale.
Umthandisa abantu abanye elakhe ibhezilo.
Yeah, umbono.
Zapinda futhi
engabadlisa uyadinga umbono. Ngapha ungathi ade ndombono mina ukuthi 2026 ngiyakhindla. Mangasafika ade kungumbono.
Kodwa ebesebatshela ukuthi wena ungathemba mina. Ngathi mina umkhaba sangithembi. Say problem yakho.
Asathembakalayo.
And then Dynamo takes on Simba Bora eRuvaro.
It's a tricky one, but Dynamo ngendlela ehamba ngayo kanje.
Dynamo win through.
The last game, the big one.
Yeah.
Can you say it's still the big one?
This year kungcono ukuthi is the big one. Ngokusupa last season.
Islanders takes on FC Scotland. Scotland Football Club eBabafist Stadium.
The only match when iyakwanisa ukumatcha kuphela kuma fans. Ibreak ama fans Islanders yawina. But take round.
Scotland izawina but finally is a consider equal.
I consider.
Oh.
Who consider Scotland consider?
No, I'm not saying anything.
But
Let's sneak
ibona lithi vandalism. Lapho liyasebenza khona.
Uyitheqiniso iIslanders yawina la. Awuyitheqiniso alo le ukuthi kumbe nja zwanini. Mana ngipredict la. On Monday iScotland ingawina ngile $10 yokuthi ngithenge mina ilunch ingawina iScotland ayina
bayakwazi ukuthi thina silambile
support iScotland
support iScotland
lapho lo wathwala yafisa black and white kucile
but mina finally iScotland is a consider
awu consider savumela
kodwa izawina
sezivala college last week
bafethu akuloko okungcono elingakwenza ngaphandle ukuthi libukele iPass and Move podcast, the best football podcast in the land. Yeah.
This is the only place to be. Nxa ungelasikhathi sokubukela ibhola ungatholanga i-preview match analysis, you can come. You are free to comment, you are free to give us your views. Remember to subscribe. Kukhona futhi okulibazisayo kuthiwa luckybets.co.zw. Just tap in and sign in and play. Anduzwile ama-prediction. Omunye nangu uthekwa $10 yasinika la. So let's fakela Islanders.
Bengawuthi yazi beloke mingile nsithi uzayivala kuhle njengoba uchaye zabo Undertaker namuhla uyimeli black nsithi uzayivala kuhle ngendlela oqalise ngapha. Anyway, last week basuthi
last week
ushaye mentally
nanzele this week. Mana ngi-quote from my Bible into be angry but sin no more. Nanzele sometimes ukuthi abantu i-anger yawo ma viewers asibende anger but asibe ne-anger but at the end of the day singawoni kumbe singavumeli anger yethu igcine sisibophisa intambo silenga o igcine sesenze njengogolide uchuma no
Muphi lo?
So I
think
angry Bible yavuma be angry but sin no more.
I think to add on to what Umasute said, being a man, it doesn't mean that you don't have emotions. You don't have feelings, don't feel the pain. A man can feel a pain, a man can cry. It's good to cry, it's good to say it out. A weakest man is the one who does not speak out.
Yeah.
A strongest man is the one who speaks out. Say it out, let them laugh at you, but you have said and release the pain in yourself and you can avoid trauma. Remember, when you kill yourself, it does not only affect you. That's the highest form of being selfish, to kill yourself. Because ulama siblings will depend upon you. So now who's going to take care of those people? Try by all means to suffer. There's no pain which lasts forever. Everything comes and goes. Everything has got its own time. Remember, you're always going to cross the bridge one way or the other. Even if it means you go to jail, you're going to come out of that jail. Kulokuzibulala than ukuthi uye ejele wangcono uhambe ejele uyephenduka uzaphenduka ufike uqhubekele phambili ugcine imuli yakho. So let's value life. We live all once and we remember we live every day and die once.
Bese vu correct. But phezu kwamashoko makhulu ukuthi okhulumile amboni kule into enye engayi-aida. Just please remember to like, subscribe, share and engage us in the comment section. Otherwise, until next week, guys.
Adios.
Adios.